thought I would show you real quick the setup I have here to do these videos. Obviously, I have my painting palette. I've got water, clean, and what's going to be dirty, a little rag and stuff to wipe the brush off on. And if we come over here, I've got my palette set up. Now, this is really interesting because this is the metal palette that my daughter and her husband got me for Christmas last year, and I love it, okay? And what I've done is I've taken an old palette from my standing wood easel, and I've secured that on there as a base for my rotating palette here. And what this is this is just a Lazy Susan, which you can buy anywhere, okay, with a painting panel glued onto it, and that gives me 360 degrees of rotation. I've got my paper secured onto it, and now, by golly, let's go ahead and start painting. Hi everybody, Danny here. Well, it's a new series we're going to start today, and I think we're going to have some fun with it. I think I'll also give you just a little quick tour of where I set up to paint, so you can see it's not some great big fancy magical studio. It's just what I can scrape out from where I live, okay? So let's head on over to easel, take a quick look at the studio, and get to painting. I'll meet you there. Alrighty, now you've seen the setup, okay? You see that I don't have a great big fancy studio. This is a spare bedroom, okay? And I'm doing this in here. So you take what space you have and you can utilize it. Okay, what we've done here is we've kind of just dampened this area, which of course is going to be the sky. Now, he said, hopefully, now I'm going to come in to do some blue over here. Pardon me for being out of touch for a second, but I need to get me some blue. Here we go. Now, we're just going to throw that in here like that. Okay, we're just going to toss that blue in. And I'm not trying to cover the whole area with it because I really don't want to. I want to leave some of this area open to be clouds. Okay? I'm painting the clouds by not painting the clouds. I'm just letting the blue and the white here take care of the cloud situation. Okay, that is a thing to remember. Let your paint do the job for you, okay? And now what I will do is in the interim I'm going to erase this. This was just a marker, and there's going to be some treetops going in here. But we'll take care of that tomorrow. So until tomorrow, just remember that that Ann and I, we love you, and we love you completely. So be with us tomorrow, and be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, and remember again that we love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And by golly, there we go. Now you know what the mess looks like that I painted. And we're off to a good start on our painting. So be with me tomorrow, and we'll keep going on it. Until then, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love each and every one of you.